Alright, we have ourselves a door closer that makes some weird noises when closing. Let me demonstrate that for you right here on camera. Sorry about the jiggles, I'm using my iPhone at a weird angle. And this does not have image stabilization, wish it did. Get it out of the way. Actually, now that I'm standing up here on the steps, I actually see the problem entirely. Let's do that again. Let me get up here, way up on top. I just answered my own question. That whole arm is moving. I never figured that out. Because I'm usually down here, and I haven't really noticed that. That arm is going up and down by itself. Again, sorry about the jiggles here. Oh wow, looks like the whole closer's about to fall off. Alrighty then. I think I answered my own question. What's wrong with this closer? I don't know if I'm actually seeing anything because that is way, way above my level. I apologize if I'm shooting at the wall because there's no way I can see what I'm aiming at. And again, I'm holding this way up at the top of my arm reach. Well, that's not good. Again, I can't see what I'm shooting with the camera or with my phone, so I apologize. But I think I just figured out what the problem is. So anyway, hope you guys enjoy this random door closer video. And that's going to be about it, so thanks for watching. And again, I apologize about the weird camera movements and the jiggles. iPhone 4S does not have image stabilization, and I was aiming way at the top of my arm reach to get that for you, so I don't know what I actually got. We'll see when we review. Thanks for watching.